There is an unseen force in your life that is so much more powerful than you can imagine, and it resides within you. And it is energy. Energy is flowing throughout your body at all times. You know what's crazy? Most people don't even believe in it. The reason I am standing out here in the rain right now is because we're having storms here in Wisconsin. And I don't know if you can see it in the trees behind me, but every few minutes this wind is kicking up and it is blowing these trees. My neighbor down the street has got trees. Let me show y'all real quick. All down in the street. Can you see that over there? Those are trees all out in our street from trees that blew over last night in their yard from the wind. That's how powerful wind is. It's weird to me that we have no problem believing in wind that we can't see, wind that we can feel, but we really can't touch it. We can't see it. We can't really understand it unless you're a meteorologist and you really get into that kind of thing. The truth is energy courses throughout our body. If you have a problem with your heart and you go to the emergency room, they're going to hook you to probes that measure energy literally on the outside of your body that's coming from the inside of your body from your heart. Energy is everything in our life. Some people call it your energy centers that line the core of your body. Some people call it chakras, but it's those places where literally the energy in your body flows. And when we free up our energy centers, when we begin to open our heart, when we begin to open our mind, when we begin to open ourself to a life that has no resistance in it, that energy starts to flow and it starts to do more than that. It starts to attract to us the life of our dreams. And the truth is, you can attract anything in this world you want to attract when you learn to get your energy in line. And I help you do that right here all the time. I'm a recovering evangelical who now is spiritual but no longer religious. And I share content like this all the time. If I can help you, subscribe below, like this video, give me a comment about what drew you here and what got you watching this one, because I would love to help you get your energy lined up and channeled in the right direction, because it can change your life. It's been changing mine. I've been rewiring my brain over the last year, and just the last few months, it's gone to whole different levels. The switch has flipped for me, and so much has changed, and so many new opportunities and directions opening up in front of me, even this very week. I'm so excited about it, and it can for you too. Energy gets trapped in our bodies in all kinds of ways, through trauma, through past experiences that we've not let go of, through just daily living. We live in fight or flight mode so much of our lives, and we don't have to. We can learn to do things, simple things like heart breathing. And if you learn to breathe coherently through your heart, and what I mean by that is the simple practice of relaxing your body, relaxing your mind, and visualizing yourself breathing in as you physically breathe in and breathing out through your heart. And when you sync up your heart and your mind and what Joe Dispenza calls heart-mind coherence, all kinds of magical things can start to happen inside of you and outside of you. And you start attracting to you the life of your dreams, because it puts you in a state of non-resistance. Non-resistance equals manifestation. And this camera is shaking because that unseen wind is really starting to blow again. If you can believe in the wind, you can believe in the power of your energy and how it can change your life. Today, here's what I want to challenge you to do. Let's get a little energy flowing, going together. Do me a favor. Close your eyes for just 1 minute. Let's take a deep breath in together. And as you breathe in through your nose, about 4 seconds worth of air. Now hold it there for just a second. And now let it out. There you go. You feel that? You feel that relaxation starting to happen? Now do it again, but this time I want you to do something. Close your eyes again, and as you breathe in, imagine you're taking that breath literally in through your heart as you breathe in. You ready? Here we go. Now as you breathe out, imagine breathing out through your heart. There you go. Now, I have a video that goes into more detail on how to do this, but I want you to try 3 quick steps that I have learned with this heart-focused breathing that have helped me. On the first breath in, I just want you to relax your body as much as you can. And as you breathe that first breath out, I want you to listen to what I want to challenge you to think about. Are you ready? Here we go. Breathe in with me. Now, as you hold it there, when you breathe out, I want you to imagine yourself just opening yourself to whatever that divine force and source has for you. Now breathe it out. You're opening yourself up to whatever God, your source, your force, the God of your understanding has for you. You're opening yourself up to that very thing. All right, let's breathe in again. On the second one, we're going to do something different. You ready? You breathe in. As you hold it there at the top, now when you breathe out on the second one, again, visualize it coming out through your heart. And this time you're going to drop any weights in your life, anything that's holding you back. Breathe it out. Let go of those weights, whatever they are, whatever's holding you back, whatever you're struggling with, you're just letting it go in this moment. Doesn't that feel great? One more time, we're going to breathe in together. We're going to do one more thing and visualize it through your heart. And you're going to breathe out through your heart, but this time, you're going to know that you're wrapped in security and peace in this very moment. Let it go. Security, peace. It doesn't matter what's been going on in your life right now. You're secure. You're divinely wrapped in the arms of your source of God. As you do that, you're aligning your heart to beat in a way that's coherent with your mind, and you're changing it all in your life. That's what heart-focused breathing is, and it can absolutely change your life. I feel the wind. I see the wind in the trees. I know it's there, and I know this energy's there. It's changing me, and it can change you.